Welcome back. In this video, we're going to get into Palantir because it's been making a nice move. The last 3 months, Palantir up like 120%, we might as well say. We're going to look at the technical analysis on the chart. I just wanted to give a little quick shout out here. 3 months, looking great. For the year, 263%. Very nice. The chart looks nice. I mean, who can complain? Okay, who can really complain? So just wanted to let you see this screen brought to us by Tip Ranks before we switch over to here. Alrighty, I already marked up the chart for everybody so we didn't waste any time. Let's just get into it because it's Sunday and you know people have things to do. So there's some support here in the past right here, and you see these touches here. 3 supports there at the $59 level, so that's practically $60. So what I'm saying between this level and that and this level here, because you see we have some support here too, right? This looks like boom, boom. You can read it right there. That's what it looks like to me. So if you didn't want to buy up here at the tippy top, okay, where we're at now, if you wanted to get some lower, have a better cost basis, down here is nice. So since you don't want to stare at your computer the whole time, I always say set some alerts on your phone. So when the price reaches in here, you can know, then you could buy market orders in, or you could already preset some limit orders to buy for you down here. So if you're working, you don't have to stop what you're doing to do it. It'll automatically pick up some shares for you here. Okay, picking up at a lower levels is always nice. It helps you stay green. Okay, instead of buying up here and it dips down on you. Like say people who bought up here and then it dipped down, they were red for a bit, right? So it's always good to buy on support, buy on support, buy on support, buy on support. So that's what I'm showing here in this video. I just wanted to make sure everybody knew that $60 looks like a buy zone here for Palantir. You know, we like this name, nicely going up for a long time. We can't complain about that. If you like this kind of information, click like and subscribe because it helps the channel to grow. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye for now. Palantir to the moon.